These are some of my spare axe heads. Most of these are uncracked, unrepaired. I think there's about 3 repairs amongst these, the rest have been separated. These are all the rounding patterns or similar, trimming patterns, Kent fellings, a couple of miner's axes in there as well. These are all the wedge patterns and similar, some American ones. I think there's a couple of plums. There's a couple of Swedish ones. Some of the Kent axes. These have been on a longer handle rather than a one-handed hatchet style handle. These are all the hatchets that I have. Kent patterns, little wedge patterns, and some unusual ones at the front. These are all one-handed axes. These are the unusual ones that I have. There's a crash axe, a well slimline, topping pattern. That one, topping pattern, wheeler's axe, long felling axe, couple of fantail axes. I think that's a shipwright's axe, not sure about that one. German Rhineland and a French one. And here's my mauls. There's a axe eye maul, and the rest of them are just regular kind of mauls. But there you go.